Your love, your dedication to Trump is synthetic. Let me explain. In the 90s, I became politically aware that something was wrong. I read every book I could about the Clintons. I knew onward from that time period, I knew every name, date, scandal, all of their associates. I had read everything, so I knew how dirty they were. So as the approach to 2016 election happened, I was watching Trump and Hillary and all that stuff and thinking, okay, well, maybe this wild card weirdo game show host is, he was making me laugh during some of the debates by saying, you're going to jail, and just funny. Well, anyway, I had a dream one night, and I was at a card table with Hillary Clinton at a campaign event, like backstage, and she was so nice, and she talked to me, and she was interested in me and looked right in my eyes. And I was like, shit, I should give this person a shot, I guess. And I listened, I woke up, and I had this positive feeling about her, and I knew it was synthetic. Now, in the preceding weeks and months when things would come up, that positive little artificial helmet would be on my brain first, and I'd have to go, no, you know too much about this person. But it was synthetic, is the point I'm trying to put across here. Now, this article is from 2021. It's MIT.edu. The next frontier of advertising isn't virtual reality or holograms, it's your dreams. In an open letter published to the website DXE, the scientists decry the concept of dream advertising. They've been doing this. If they're talking about this in 2021, they've been doing it for at least 10, 15 years. Now, fast forward to today, and your love for Trump, which you think is natural and organic, it isn't. His messaging was pretty good up to the 2024 election. I just want the dying to stop. I want the killing to stop. We're going to release the Epstein files, JFK, Martin Luther King, all this stuff. Well, it's been war, proxy war, direct war, funding Israel, siding with genocidal people. And we've seen what he's done with the Epstein stuff. He's covered it up. He's moved Ghislaine Maxwell into a cushy place. And I'm telling you, I read the comments of all these new age influencers who love Trump, this Q people. And in the comments, people are like, I dreamt of Trump last night. I too dreamt of Melania. Oh, Putin gave her the magical ring. It's all Disney just shot out of 5G things into your brain. It's not real. I experienced it with Hillary Clinton. People on the ground think that they organically just love Trump. They're willing to overlook everything he's doing right in front of their face and blast off into some crazy love.